If you're planning a Disney World family vacation, most likely you'll be spending thousands of dollars on your Disney vacation. The last thing you want to do is to waste your time and money at Disney. You want to maximize your Disney vacation, but it's impossible to do it all. Trust me, learn from my mistakes. In this video, I'll give you tips and strategies on how to make the most of your visit to Animal Kingdom. This is part 4 of my 4-part series where I'll give you my park-by-park tips and strategies on how to get the most out of your Disney World vacation. 11 tips for families visiting Animal Kingdom. Number 1. Avoid Animal Kingdom when it's really hot. Animal Kingdom is different from the other Disney World parks because it is mostly an outdoor theme park with very few indoor air-conditioned spaces. Most of the attractions at Animal Kingdom are outdoors. It's extremely uncomfortable to go to Animal Kingdom when it's hot. Trust me, it can get unbearably hot, like sweating profusely hot. To make it worse, there aren't many shaded areas in Animal Kingdom. Plus, Animal Kingdom is a large theme park where you'll be doing a lot of walking under the hot sun. I don't know about your family, but for me, walking and standing in line in 90 degrees Fahrenheit weather usually results in temper tantrums and cranky kids and adults. Try to go to Animal Kingdom when the weather is cooler. Ideally, don't go when the temperature is above 90 degrees Fahrenheit. I know it's hard to plan since you have to reserve in advance and you may be limited with school vacation schedules. But if you can, go on a cool day. Going on a cool day versus a hot day can definitely make your Animal Kingdom visit more pleasant and enjoyable. Number 2. Bring fans and water misters. You'll need water misters and fans at Animal Kingdom, especially if you're going when it's hot. Plan ahead and save money. Don't buy it from Disney World. Bring your own water mister fans. Buy it online or at an outside retailer. Otherwise, you'll be very tempted to buy the overpriced Disney water mister fan. Number 3. Be prepared to buy ice-cold treats. I found myself buying the most ice-cold treats at Animal Kingdom than at any other Disney World theme park. Depending on when you go, if you're visiting Animal Kingdom in the summer, it is unbearably hot. With few options to cool off, you'll find yourself buying the $6 Dole Whips from Tamu Tamu or the $6.50 Yeti Sundae in Asia. Number 4. Don't do the Wilderness Explorer Scavenger Hunt if you're short on time. There's a Wilderness Explorer Scavenger Hunt at Animal Kingdom where kids go to different stations around the park to collect badges. Your kids will probably want to do it. My son loved it and was obsessed with collecting all the badges. I want to warn you that it's not the easiest scavenger hunt to do. There are a lot of badges to collect. Sometimes these stations are hard to find, and once you find a station, you can't just get a badge and go. You'll need to spend 5 to 10 minutes learning about each badge and giving the right answer before your child is awarded a Wilderness Explorer badge. So if you're short on time, steer clear. Don't do the Wilderness Explorer Scavenger Hunt. Number 5. Give yourself plenty of time if you want to go to Rafiki's Planet Watch. Rafiki's Planet Watch is located in a different section of Animal Kingdom that is only accessible by the Wildlife Express train. Warning, the Wildlife Express train is a super slow train and it breaks down a lot. It is supposed to be just a 7-minute train ride that gives you a glimpse of the behind-the-scenes vet facilities and animal housing, but don't be fooled. It takes longer than that if you add in the wait time to get on and off the train. Give yourself at least 30 minutes just to get there and at least 30 minutes to get back. Don't make the same mistakes we did by scheduling a lightning lane too soon. I made the mistake and booked the Dinosaur ride lightning lane and our train even broke down. So you can just imagine the mad scramble to try to get back to make the Dinosaur ride. And be warned that there are a few Wildlife Explorer badges at Rafiki's. I suggest skipping these badges since the Wildlife Express train is a major time waster. Number 6. Board the Wildlife Express train 40 minutes prior to your animation experience at the conservation station. If you plan to do the animation experience at the conservation station at Rafiki's, you should board the Wildlife Express train to Rafiki's Planet Watch 40 minutes prior to the start time. This will give you enough time to take the train and walk to the attraction. I say skip this if you're short on time. Number 7. Lightning Lane booking tips at Animal Kingdom. Lightning Lane reservations for most rides don't typically sell out at Animal Kingdom except for Navi River Journey and Avatar Flight of Passage. I suggest booking Navi River Journey and Avatar Flight of Passage Lightning Lane as soon as you can. You don't need to purposely wake up at 7 a.m. to book it, but you should reserve your Navi River Journey Lightning Lane in the morning. Avatar Flight of Passage is an individual Lightning Lane ride. Buy it in the morning because it can sell out by the afternoon. Number 8. Individual lightning lane is worth it for Avatar Flight of Passage. Avatar Flight of Passage is not included in Disney Genie Plus. It is an individual lightning lane ride, so you'll need to pay extra for it. I think it's worth buying the individual lightning lane for Avatar Flight of Passage. The standby line is long for Avatar Flight of Passage. Even at the end of the day, it can be as long as 80 minutes. It does sell out, so you should buy your Avatar Flight of Passage individual lightning lane early in the morning. If you're finding my tips helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more Disney tips and strategies. Number 9. Expedition Everest can give you motion sickness. The Expedition Everest ride is an intense roller coaster ride at Animal Kingdom. There's an intense backward portion that will cause motion sickness for some riders. It gave my husband motion sickness and it pretty much ruined his day. So if you're prone to motion sickness, skip Expedition Everest. Number 10. Don't miss KiteTails at Animal Kingdom. My kids love KiteTails. It is an outdoor show featuring larger-than-life kites of Lion King and Jungle Book characters. KiteTails is 15 minutes long. There are bleachers in Asia near Expedition Everest and bleachers in Dino Land, USA near Finding Nemo. It's a good time to take a break and to grab a snack. Check your Disney app for show times. Number 11. Don't miss the Dinosaur ride at Animal Kingdom. I honestly think the Dinosaur ride is one of the most underrated rides at Disney World. Dinosaur ride reminds me a bit of Space Mountain, but with dinosaurs and less roller coaster. You board a time rover and you encounter menacing dinosaurs along the way. What's not to love? This is my kids' favorite ride at Animal Kingdom. Please like and subscribe for more Disney videos and tips. Check out the other Disney tips and strategies videos in this series. Thanks for watching!